Ready.
What up, everybody? I'm coming to y'all because I've been getting a lot of requests from people wanting to see my bike. And I got my baby here. I got my Betty Page. This is my Betty Page. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. This is my first bike, everybody. It's taken me 35 years to get one of these. And I think if I get another one, it's going to even have to be more badass than this one. Come check this out, baby. Come on over here and look at this beautiful paint job on this beautiful thing. I love her. I love her a lot. Custom seats. Come check this. I mean, this baby is just unbelievably beautiful, baby. We're doing it Texas style. Fact. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous mother of love, boy. You know, I don't have to do steroids anymore. I just jump on this damn thing and I just roll like a bitch. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous. I can't help to just keep calling it gorgeous and beautiful. Bud Light, baby. I love her to death. I love her. She's fast. She's furious. She's hot. Fuck this. Let's ride, Roy. Roy boy. Look at this, love. This is where I put my bird. This is where I put my bird when I drive, baby. Y'all, I don't really put a bird in there. Y'all know that, right? I hope you don't. I hope you know. Look at this gorgeous thing. Now these are actually Harley mufflers. It was been connected here. And let me go ahead and do a little demonstration to show y'all how badass this baby sounds. Y'all wanted it. You got it. We're going to turn this baby on real quick. Alright, here we go. You ready? I think I busted a nut, bro. I think I busted a nut.
Oh, shit.
I love her.
Rub that shit.
I love her.
Damn, knocked my hat off.
I love her very much. Texas style, boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is my baby, everybody. Y'all wanted this video. I wanted to show it to you. This is Bishop Brad, baby, coming to you from the good old state of Texas, riding it hard, riding it fast, just like y'all do to y'all's mamas, baby. Y'all have a good one. I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.